Career guidance test based on multiple intelligence. Career stage is the most important stage in your life. So, career choices are the life choices. Take them seriously and do it right. So, let us discuss what is career guidance test. As we know, each individual has a different intelligence compositions. So in career guidance test, we will find out the best intelligence compositions based on MI theory, which we will be doing MI test. So we suggest you to go for choose your career based on MI report. So let us discuss what are the multiple intelligence are in the world. The first one is visual spatial intelligence. Visual spatial intelligence are picture smart. People with this intelligence are very good at visualizing, manipulating the objects. They are artistically inclined. So what are the career options for visual spatial intelligence peoples? So they can go for architects, they can become interior designers, fashion designers, photographers, painters, animators and cinematographers. The second one is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. These are the body smart people. People with this intelligence are usually enjoy acting, performing. They are highly energetic people. So what are the career options for bodily kinesthetic intelligence? So they can become an actors, dancer, soldiers, sportsman, yoga teacher, athletics, firefighters and police force. The third multiple intelligence is logical mathematical intelligence. People with logical mathematical intelligence are number smart. They are good in mathematics, computer programming, logical reasoning, scientific thinking. They are good in complex calculations. So what are the career options for logical mathematical intelligence? So they can become engineers, doctors, scientists, judges, economists, bankers, stockbrokers, lawyers, auditors and purchase managers. Musical rhythmic intelligence. People with musical rhythmic intelligence are music smart. They are very sensitive to sounds, rhythms, tones and musics. They are good at pitch. They can sing, play a music instruments and they can compose a music. So what are the career options for musical intelligence? So they will become musicians, singers, acoustic engineers, music DJs, music therapists, composers, music teachers, instrumental engineers. Linguistic verbal intelligence. People with linguistic intelligence are word smart. They are good in reading, writing and speaking. They are a good storyteller. They explain very nicely. So what are the career options for linguistic intelligence? So they are good in lawyers. They can become a journalist, trainers, teachers, poets, translators, radio DJs, comedians, newsreader and etc. So naturalistic intelligence. People with naturalistic intelligence are nature smart. They are a greater sensitivity to nature. They are good at taming and interacting with animals. They are prominent to the natures. So what are the career options for naturalistic intelligence? So they can become wildlife photographers, veterinary doctors, landscape designers, archaeologists, bird and wildlife researchers, farmers. interpersonal intelligence. People with interpersonal intelligence are people smart. They are also called as extroverts. They are very sensitive to mood, feelings and motivations. They communicate very effectively. What are the career options for interpersonal intelligence? So they can become CEO, HR professionals, educators, coach, nurses, politicians, principal, counselor, consultants, administrators and sales professionals. Intrapersonal intelligence. People with intrapersonal intelligence are introverts. They are highly self-motivated and self-awareness. They know their own emotions. They understand their own goals. They are perfectionist. So what are the career options for intrapersonal intelligence? So they can become philosophers, psychologists, religious leaders, scientists, writers, counselors, organization leaders, entrepreneur and researchists.